Hi there, and thanks for joining us at PhillipCapital Market Watch. I'm Alvin, Chia, Research Analyst from Phillip Securities Research. Today we will run through key macro-level events and our short-term view of the market. We start off in Europe, where we observe a material deterioration in Purchasing Manager Index or PMI, an indicator of manufacturing activity. Flash PMI was sharply lower at 2-year lows. The weakness was in part due to a new emission test for vehicle causing a bottleneck in Europe. On a positive note, despite all the noise out of Italy amidst the Eurozone crisis, recent surveys still show that majority still favour being in the Eurozone. The recent rally in treasuries back to around 3% is also supportive of the equity market. For Singapore, we see industrial activity trending down fast. The second quarter of 2018 saw growth of 10.7% compared to the 3.5% growth in third quarter. We observe a rebound in employment led by manufacturing jobs. Employment gains of almost 18,000 in third quarter is the highest in 15 quarters. This will support consumption activity in Singapore. In the property realm, new data shows rental for offices in the central region rising 3%, the fifth consecutive improvement. Rental was supported by a year-to-date rise of 133,000 square meters in demand, the highest in 6 years. On the flip side, retail rents were still subdued, down for almost 15 consecutive quarters and far off from the 2011 highs. Tactically, we still have a cautious outlook due to the US midterm elections, global growth rate slowing, and continuing noise out of Italy amidst the Eurozone crisis. In terms of strategy, we look for defensive dividend stocks that can provide growth in dividends as we move into a possible 100 basis point interest rate rise over the next 12 months. The rise in yields will reprice all asset classes. On turnaround triggers, we could see more financing or fiscal support from China, positive trade news following Sino-US engagement at the G20 summit, and perhaps a more cautious tone from the US Federal Reserve. That's all for PhillipCapital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also, tell us what you think. What key events should we be watching to see how the market reacts? Leave your comments. Thanks for joining us and see you soon.